Welcome to online session. Standard 6 Computer Subject Lab Activity. To start a PowerPoint, click on the Start button, All Program and select Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. A blank presentation screen is displayed. Select the title slide boxes and press the delete key to clear the screen. Now click on the Home tab, Drawing Group and Shape option to draw a shape. Press Ctrl+D key to make a duplicate shape. Increase the shape size. Select the corner side button and increase the size. Press Ctrl+C to make a copy and again press Ctrl+V to paste the shape. Select all the shape together and move from one place to another. Now change the color. Click on the Home tab and select Shape Style button. Select your choice color. Fill all the shape color. Afterward, click on the Home tab. Go in a Shape tool and select the heart shape. Again go in a Home tab, Shape Style button and change the color of your shape. Click on the Format tab and select the Shape Style button to give the effect. Click on Format tab and select the Shape Style button and give the different effect. For example, you can give glow, shadow, etc. Select the shape and press the Ctrl+D key to get a duplicate of your shape. Arrange in a proper order to make a design of your cake. Again, select the shape and increase or decrease your size of shape. Select all the shape together and press Ctrl+G to make one group. For making duplicate, press Ctrl plus D to get same shapes in the upper side. You have to ungroup the shape. Click on a Format tab and go in a Group button and click on the Ungroup option to make a ungroup shape. Again select all the shape together. Go in a Format tab and click on a Group to make a one group. Same way, copy the another shape. You can use also copy and paste command to make a duplicate. After inserting the shape, select the shape, click on the Format tab, Shape Fill option to change the color of your shape. The shape together, click on the Format tab and select the Group button to make a group. To resize the shape, select it. You will find 8 handles around it. Place the mouse pointer on any handle. The point increase or decrease the size of your shape. Click on the Insert tab, Word Art button from text group to insert a word art style name. Type your text, for example, Happy Birthday. Select the text. Click on the Format tab, Word Art Style group and Text Fill button to give the color effect to your text. You can use the solid field, gradient field. Again click on the transition effect and give the effect of name Happy Birthday in a stylish way. To change the background design, click on the Design tab, Background group and select the Background Style button and click on Format Background option to change the background color of your slide. Select any other color from your gradient field option to see the result. After selecting the color, click on OK button or Apply button. Click on Insert tab in Illustration group. From Picture button, select a picture for your requirement. For example, you have to insert a balloon. So click on the balloon picture and insert the shape. Select the Format tab and click on the Set Transition option to clear the background outside of your shape. Click on the corner handle node point and increase or decrease your size of your shape. This way you can insert another pictures in your slide. After inserting the picture, you can set the color, background color, and decrease the size of your shape. Keep all the shape together. If you want to crop the picture, click on the Format tab, Crop option and crop your shape. Select the node point for cropping angle and use it. Now select all shape together. Make a group. Press Ctrl+G key to make one group. Select the shape and keep upside. Select the rotate angle. Do the rotation and keep upside of your shape. Again make a duplicate. Press Ctrl+D to make a duplicate shape and move in another side. Select the shape. To give the animation effect, click on Animation tab. Go in a Custom Animation button and click on the Add Effect. Select the Emphasis option from the list. Select one by one shape and give the emphasis effect from your slide different object. You can use flying, pickup, wheel. Like this emphasis you can give from your add effect option. Once you complete the animation effect, click on More button to give more effect from your slide. Click on Play button to see the result on a screen. After checking the result to see in a full screen, press the F5 function key to preview your slide. Now click on Save button on Quick Access toolbar. Type your file name and save your file and close the PowerPoint.